There are thousands of free online tools that claim to save your time, so I found some of the most useful ones for sending files, fixing annoying Windows problems, protecting your passwords, editing images, and a bunch of other stuff. Can I send a file from my phone to my PC in less than 1 minute? I will be sending this picture of this banana with sunglasses as an example. So my PC is Mystic Pumpkin over here. So I'm kind pumpkin on my phone. So if I accept this, it's instantly sent. I can open it right here. That's good. Okay, photos are easy, but what if I want to send this very big file, which is almost 2 gigabytes to my phone? Let's see how long that takes. So I drag it up here and send it to kind pumpkin. Accept. So this is taking around a minute. So this took me about 40 to 45 seconds to send this. With the file being this big, I would say that is pretty good timing. So I will try to find this banana picture I have, which is buried like 9 folders deep within my system with both Windows search and everything. And let's see which one comes out with the result first. Let's try Windows search first. I forgot how many NAs I put. Yeah, I don't think Windows is finding that file. Now let's try everything. And we already found it within seconds. Nice. So using PowerToys, I will try to complete these tasks within 60 seconds. And the timer starts. So I want to extract text from here. I hit Windows Shift and T, select this, copy all text, and I paste it here. Yes, I can. Okay, so this is done. So now we have to rename 50 files at once. I go over here, select all my files with Control A, right click, rename with Power Rename. So I'm gonna change this Nana for big. Apply. Is it applied? Yes, it applied. Okay, 10 more seconds. Next one is grab any color from screen. It's with color picker. Open color picker, pick this one. And I think we finished on time. I think we finished on time. PowerToys might save me some time, but this next website might tell me whether I have a much bigger problem. And it's called Have I Been Pwned? So basically this website checks if my email has been in a data breach. A data breach basically means a company had information stolen. And that is how many websites pwned? 17 billion? I will put my very old email to check if it has been pwned. Wait, my email was leaked how many times? 8 times? What? So the most recent one was in April 2025. Next one was in January 2024. I was good for the 4 years before that during COVID, I guess. Twice in 2020. 167 million names, usernames, and MD5 hashes of email addresses used to reference users' avatar were subsequently scraped and distributed within the hacking community. No way. Canva? That's a popular name. Password was leaked by a breach in Canva. So next challenge is just a simple one. I will try to remove this background without ruining these edges of this picture. Upload. And it's working. Oh, that was very good. There is some edges missing over here, but overall it's pretty good. And I can download it right from here. So this one saves absolutely no time whatsoever. It just lets you look out random people's windows. And whoa, that is a very good view. Is that what, Turkey? Yeah, it is Turkey. Sakarya city in Turkey. So I think if I just refresh this, changes the... Okay, is this from a train? Open a window somewhere in the world. This is in Windsor, Germany at 5:45 p.m. July 25. A window looking out a window. So I have this image which is about 4.2 megabytes and I want to check how much I can shrink this without affecting the quality. So if I zoom in on these trees and this outside AC compartment, this is what it likes before, and I want to see how much I can shrink this and still retain the quality. So we drag and drop the file here and compress. Yeah, I don't know which one to select. Let's just go with the default one that's selected. So it's showing 4.4 megabytes here. So we reduce, oh, so this is the after size we will get. Shrink by 30%. Not a noticeable difference though. What if I shrink it more? Wait, did the size just, oh, I have to decrease this. Never mind, let's do 20% quality. Oh wow, we have shrunk the size by 87%. And the difference is very slightly visible, but if I just zoom out, you can't even see it, I guess. Let's try more. But if I do 1% quality, so we have shrunk the size by 98%, and whoa, okay, that is too much. Let's do like 10%. 10% is also a bit noticeable. I think if around 15% is the sweet spot. Yeah, so we have decreased the size by 90%, and we have gone from 4.4 megabytes to 454 kilobytes, which is huge. So if I just keep them side by side, you can't actually just tell which one is the smaller one and which one is the original one. So I guess it's decent at what it does. Now when a random website wants your email before it lets you do anything, yeah, this fixes that. Say I just want to read some good stories in Medium, but in order to start reading, I have to sign up. So we sign up with email, use our temporary email, copy this, full name, email, paste this, create an account, and we have this code sent to our email, which should be loading if I refresh. And there we go. That's our code. Copy this, paste it here, and we are in. What would you like to read? Yeah, I'm not reading. I have two monitors. One is burning my eyeballs and the other looks like it's turned off. This Twinkle Tray app fixes that. You get a nice looking slider for both of your monitors that you can change instantly. Next up, we have a tool you can use when you need to scribble some random stuff. It's a very good free whiteboard. So the good thing about this is you don't have to sign up. You just click the link and you just have a whiteboard. You can write some stuff you want. You can draw here as well. You can point to stuff, or you can even add a picture. So I add this banana, add a sticky note beside this banana, and point to my banana. This is really good if you just have to show someone something real quick. Google Drive allows you to store 15 gigabytes of files and send them using Gmail. What if I have to send this huge file which is 33 gigabytes and I don't want to pay Google for more storage? SwissTransfer saves the day. All you have to do is drag and drop your huge file and you can both email or generate a link. I'm gonna generate a link for this and transfer, and it will start uploading the file. So you can send up to 50 gigabytes of file through this. Okay, so the upload is done. So if I copy this link, which is valid for 30 days, and open a private window, paste this link, and I can download this content right away. So that's good. Next up, we have an all-in-one solution for PDFs. There is like 100 different things you can do with this thing, like merging PDF, splitting PDF, editing PDF, signing PDF, converting images to PDF, PDF to images. Then you can protect your PDF, add a watermark to your PDF, maybe change your PDF page sizes. You can convert from anything to PDF or convert PDF to anything. Let's try to sign a PDF. Upload my file. So this is my sample PDF file, and I will add a signature. Draw your signature into the following field, or you can upload as well. Signature. Okay, we got a signature to edit. And we have our signature on this PDF. Let's try to convert our PDF to a Word file. So we have different modes here. We can do text only, blocks, or flow. Since this is the default, let's just go with that. So we have a 30-page PDF that it's analyzing, and it's done. Let's download and check the result. So this is our original PDF. This is mostly text and some images, and this is the doc file it changed into. Some of the text here is a bit broken, but this can be easily fixed, and I think it did a very good job. The text alignment is quite good. The images are in the right place. Also, I'm using OnlyOffice, which is a free and open source alternative to Microsoft Word. Yeah, I think PDF 24 did a great job with this conversion.